Heather Kurtz, Mill Middle School, Williamsville Teachers Association as Executive Member. On September 16th, Dr. Lucido sent a letter to all parents of the district through WITS. This letter was filled with inaccuracies and half-truths that we too feel the need to correct. Number 1, Dr. Lucido begins her letter by stating that the Board of Education is aware of the discontent of teacher and administrator union leaders. However, the discontent goes much further. It also includes parents, community members, assistant superintendents, and many other district employees. Number 2, Dr. Lucido states that our executive session meeting on September 9th was a tell-all. This is false. We have said repeatedly that we are unwilling to share specific details about our concerns with the board because we fear retaliation against all, and we feel the board may attempt to cover up some of those important details. We do not believe it is the Board of Education's place to conduct an investigation. They are not trained investigators, and they definitely are not impartial. To say that the board left the meeting with an understanding of the full scope of our issues is impossible because only a handful of over 30 examples of the superintendent's abuse of power, retaliation, and favoritism were expressed that evening. Abuse of power was demonstrated when Dr. Martzloff obtained improper access to district email without following district protocol and guidelines. We saw retaliation against one of our own members in June, and Dr. Kirsch is still experiencing the retaliation of the superintendent for bringing direct concerns about the superintendent to the Board of Education president. We have documentation to prove favoritism, such as instances where the hiring process has been interfered with and class lists have been manipulated. In addition, Dr. Martzloff allocated a special school bus to transport modified football players for one particular middle school. Why was only one school granted the safety and convenience of this luxury last year? We believe this was because a child of a close friend benefited from the school bus. How was the bus paid for last year? In tonight's superintendent report, you will hear Dr. Martzloff tell the board that additional modified sports will be provided transportation. Why didn't he ask the school board for permission last year to provide transportation for the one modified bus? Is he now asking for funds for the buses? Is this an attempt to cover up what was done last year? Number 3, lastly, Dr. Lucido states that the board believes in the role we all play in modeling appropriate behaviors for our children. The behaviors that some board members are modeling are not behaviors that I want our Williamsville children to learn. I want our children to learn that you have to follow rules and protocols. I want our children to learn that when you express an opinion that is different from the rest of the group, this does not mean that another member of the group can ask for your resignation. I want our children to learn the definition of unanimous. I want our children to learn that bullies can be stopped. I want our children to learn that people are accountable for their actions. I want our children to learn that when they elect people to a position, that those people listen to the community that they represent. I want our children to learn that we all make mistakes, but we can learn from them. Be role models for our children. Admit your mistake and make the right choice for the community that you represent. Conduct an independent investigation.